In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the GoDaddy browser is a bit unusual error quickly and easily. This message usually appears when GoDaddy detects something different about your browser, network, or device, and it temporarily blocks access for security reasons. Don't worry, in most cases this is a simple fix. I'll walk you through 10 practical solutions step by step so you can get back into your account without stress. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, refresh the page and try signing in again. Sometimes this error is triggered by a temporary session glitch. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 on your keyboard. Once the page reloads, attempt to sign in again. In many cases, this alone clears the warning. If that doesn't work, close the tab completely and reopen GoDaddy. Exit the tab, open a brand new one, and manually type in godaddy.com. This forces your browser to start a fresh session instead of reusing the previous one. Next, switch to a standard browser. If you're using a privacy-focused or less common browser, GoDaddy may flag it. Try using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. These mainstream browsers are fully supported and less likely to trigger security warnings. Another important step is updating your browser to the latest version. An outdated browser can sometimes appear suspicious to websites. Go to your browser settings, look for the About section, and install any available updates. After updating, restart the browser and try again. Now let's talk about VPNs and proxy connections. If you're connected to a VPN, GoDaddy may detect the IP address as unusual. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy service and refresh the page. If you're using a VPN app, disconnect it completely before trying again. You should also turn off browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons. These can interfere with how websites load. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons menu and temporarily disable them. Then reload GoDaddy and check if the message disappears. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can cause conflicts. Go into your browser settings, find Privacy or History, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cookies and Cached Files. After clearing them, restart your browser and sign in again. Another quick test is using Incognito or Private Mode. Open a new Incognito window in Chrome or Private window in Firefox or Safari. This mode disables extensions and ignores stored cookies. Visit GoDaddy and attempt to log in. If it works here, the issue is likely related to your regular browser settings. You can also try accessing GoDaddy from another device. Use your phone, tablet, or another computer. If it works on a different device, then the problem is specific to your original system and not your account. Finally, check your system's date and time settings. Incorrect time settings can cause security certificates to fail, which may trigger warnings. On Windows or Mac, go to your system settings and ensure the date and time are set automatically. Once corrected, restart your browser and test again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the GoDaddy browser is a bit unusual error and regain access to your account. Start with the simple fixes like refreshing and switching browsers, then move on to clearing cache, disabling VPNs, and checking system settings if needed.